video, aalamin natin ang mga benefits at ang iba pang gamit ng sunflower oil. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! It's me again, Van! So guys, meron na naman tayong bagong video! And for today's video, I'm sure na mag-e-enjoy ka. At kung gusto mong malaman kung anong mangyayari sa video na to, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Huwag mo rin kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel at pindutin mo na rin ang notification bell para like ka ma-notify sa mga bago kong video. Just like this. So, please just keep on watching! So guys, for today's video, aalamin natin ang mga benefits at ang iba pang gamit ng sunflower oil. So, sa mga previous videos ko, ginagamit ko itong sunflower oil kasama ng abonispa milk salt. So, ginagamit ko siya at nalaman natin na pwede siya makapagpaputi, nakakapag-exfoliate siya ng ating skin. Ngayon naman, aalamin natin kung ano yung mga benefits na makukuha natin sa sunflower oil at ano pa yung iba pa niyang gamit. Saan pa natin siya pwedeng ihalo. So, hindi lang pala siya pwedeng ihalo sa abonispa milk salt, may ibang mga bagay pa kung saan pwede natin siyang ihalo. So, umpisahan muna natin kung ano yung mga benefits na makukuha natin sa sunflower oil. Pero bago yun, i-explain ko muna sa inyo or babasahin ko yung definition ng sunflower oil. Based on its packaging, meron siyang definition ng sunflower oil. Now, let me read it for you. Sunflower oil is an excellent emollient. So, pag sinabing emollient, it has moisturizing, nagmo-moisturize siya. So, it has moisturizing, like what I mentioned, nourishing, and conditioning properties. It also provides excellent skin feel and is easily absorbed. It is highly recommended for formulations designed to treat dry, withered, aged, and damaged skin. Now, syempre nag-research din ako. Now, let me read to you the definition ng sunflower oil here, wherein I was clearly read it a while ago dito sa packaging na meron akong sunflower oil kung ano yung meron siya. So, in-explain dito na meron siyang emollient which can nourish, moisturize, and condition our skin. Now, let me explain to you the good thing or the benefits of this sunflower oil aside from its emollient properties. Now, sunflower oil also contains several compounds that have benefits for skin. They include, alam ko may magugustuhan kayo dito. So, first, they include oleic acid, vitamin E, yun yung pangalawa. Yung vitamin E, yun yung pinakamaganda. Sesamol and linoleic acid. So, let me explain. So, it contains vitamin E also. We all know that vitamin E is an antioxidant, wherein an antioxidant can help protect our skin from free radicals and from adverse effect from the sunlight. Yung matinding exposure natin sa sunlight. And it can antioxidant also help us the premature aging and wrinkles. Now, using a skincare product formulated with sunflower oil is a good way to obtain vitamin E's benefits of skin. Now, also, the sunflower oil has a linoleic acid, like what I have mentioned earlier. When we say linoleic acid, it helps to maintain the skin's natural barrier, supporting its ability to retain moisture. It also has an anti-inflammatory effect when used topically. This makes it beneficial for dry skin and for conditions such as eczema. Now, maganda tong article na nabasa ko about sa sunflower oil because they gathered a study. So, it's just a small study with 19 volunteers which contrasted the benefits of topically When we say topically, i-apply ang sunflower oil. And this one is versus to olive oil. Now, based on that study from 19 volunteers, they found out that sunflower oil was a more effective in improving skin hydration. So, hindi ko sinasabi na ang olive oil ay hindi effective. It's just that in the sense that gagamitin natin siya sa skin. So, it was proven effective out of the 19 volunteers tested na mas effective si sunflower oil for hydration and maintaining the integrity of the skin's outer layer. So, yun siya. And may isa pa siyang benefits, wound healing. Now, it also found that topical use of sunflower oil was beneficial for healing wound faster. This may be due to the oleic acid content na meron si sunflower oil, which can be beneficial for wound care. So, yun yung mga benefits na makukuha natin kay sunflower oil. Now, since alam na natin yung mga benefits na makukuha natin sa sunflower oil at may mga study na napatunayan na effective ang sunflower oil para sa ating balat, and may nabasa din ako sa article na ang sunflower oil ay pwede siya sa any kind of skin. They call it skin type. Halimbawa, ang skin type mo ay normal, dry, all skin type pwede siya. Sensitive, acne-prone, combination, any kind of skin type pwede siya. Now, gagawin natin siya. So, aside from using it together with Ebony's Milk Salt, ituturo ko rin sa inyo na pwede rin siyang gamiting lip scrub, pwede rin siyang gamiting moisturizer, pwede rin siyang gamitin pangtanggal or pang-lighten ng ating stretch marks, at pwede rin natin siyang gamitin pampaputi ng ating kilikili at ng ating singit. So, kung excited ka kung paano ko gagawin, that sounds really interesting because I myself found it very interesting na marami palang pwedeng gawin. And ang mga bagay na gagawin natin ay makikita nyo lang sa inyong tahanan. So, without further ado, papakita ko na sa inyo kung paano natin siya gagamitin as lip scrub. So, mag-start tayo sa video number 1. that's it for our video for today. So, sana marami kang natutunan sa paggamit ng sunflower oil at sana nakatulong din yung mga benefits na nalaman natin tungkol sa sunflower oil, na maganda pala talaga ang sunflower oil. And guys, kung meron kayong mga suggested content, suggested videos na gusto nyo ipagawa sa akin, please feel free na mag-comment sa comment section and I'll try my best na gawin mga bagay na yun as long as kaya. As long as kaya ng powers. So, gagawin ko siya. And by the way, pa-end na tong video. And kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please pakipindot naman ang subscribe button dyan. At paki-click na rin ang notification bell para lagi kang ma-notify sa aking mga bagong video. Just like this one. And yeah, thank you so much for supporting me, a small YouTuber. And yun lang. Salamat. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!